1. Freelance work. Use your skills and expertise to do freelance work online. You can get paid thousands of dollars for projects like graphic design, programming, and writing. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. The more you sell, the more money you can make. 3. Dropshipping. Launch a dropshipping store with a niche product and start making sales. You can make huge profits without the hassle of carrying inventory. 4. Investing. Invest in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency to grow your money. With the right strategy, you can make thousands of dollars a day. 5. YouTube. Start a YouTube channel and monetize it with ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. The top YouTubers make millions of dollars a year. 6. Coaching. If you are an expert in a particular field, then you can offer coaching services. You can charge premium prices and make thousands of dollars per client. 7. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. You can earn passive income and make thousands of dollars a day. 8. E-commerce. Launch an e-commerce store with a unique product and start making sales. With the right strategy, you can make a fortune selling products online. 9. Social media. Become an influencer on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. You can get paid thousands of dollars per post for sponsored content. 10. Writing. Write and publish a book on Amazon Kindle and earn royalties on each sale. With the right marketing, you can make thousands of dollars per day.